Hey Apple fans! Get ready for a major update this September 2024. Apple is set to unveil the highly anticipated iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max, joining the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus in their impressive lineup. The Pro models are renowned for introducing new designs and advanced features, and they always come with a premium price tag. While the official debut of the 2024 iPhones is still a few months away, leaks and insider information have already started to circulate, giving us an exciting sneak peek into what's coming. One of the standout changes coming to the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max is the size. For the first time in several years, these models will see a significant size increase. The iPhone 16 Pro will feature a 6.3-inch display, up from 6.1 inches, while the Pro Max will boast a 6.9-inch screen, up from 6.7 inches. These larger displays will translate to slightly bigger dimensions for the phone bodies, although the thickness is expected to remain the same. While the Pro models are getting a size upgrade, major design overhauls are not anticipated. However, under the hood, these models will be powered by a new A-series chip based on the latest N3 E3 nanometer node. This cutting-edge chip is expected to bring significant improvements in efficiency and performance, although specific details remain scarce at this point. A notable feature making its way across all iPhone 16 models is the Action button, which was previously exclusive to the iPhone 15 Pro models. This versatile button will allow users to quickly access a variety of functions, adding more convenience and functionality. Ahead of the official launch, leaks of iPhone 16 dummy models have surfaced, indicating some differences in size and camera cutouts compared to the iPhone 15 lineup. Despite these changes, the exterior camera design remains largely unchanged, with a square camera bump housing 3 lenses. What's really exciting is the rumored new capture button, which will be flush with the device's side. This button is expected to offer multi-level pressure detection, allowing users to perform various functions such as zooming and focusing with ease. Imagine being able to zoom in on your subject or focus more precisely, all with a simple press of a button. In addition to hardware upgrades, we can also expect some enhancements in the user interface and overall functionality. With every new iPhone release, Apple tends to introduce software improvements that complement the hardware changes, making for a more seamless and enjoyable user experience. The new A-series chip is based on the N3 E3 nanometer node, which is expected to bring significant efficiency and performance improvements. This means faster processing speeds, better multitasking capabilities, and potentially longer battery life. Apple has always been at the forefront of chip technology, and this new chip is expected to set a new benchmark in the industry. The Action button is set to become a favorite feature among users. Its versatility allows for quick access to various functions, making everyday tasks more convenient. Whether you're quickly switching between apps, accessing your favorite features, or even using it as a shortcut for specific tasks, the Action button is designed to enhance your iPhone experience. Another exciting aspect of the iPhone 16 Pro models is the range of color options. While the exact colors haven't been confirmed yet, Apple is known for offering a variety of stylish and sophisticated options to choose from. Whether you prefer classic colors or something more vibrant, there will be a color to match your personal style. For photography enthusiasts, the iPhone 16 Pro models are expected to bring some exciting new camera features. While the overall camera design remains similar to the iPhone 15 lineup, there are rumors of new software enhancements and possibly new hardware features that will take your photography to the next level. Whether you're capturing stunning photos, making important calls, or using your favorite apps, the iPhone 16 Pro models are designed to deliver an exceptional experience. With larger displays, a powerful new chip, and versatile features like the Action button, these devices are set to be a hit among users. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the official launch. The iPhone 16 series is shaping up to bring some exciting new features and improvements. We can't wait to see what Apple has in store. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, Comment. First up, we have some exciting news about the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max colors. Rumors from Weibo, spotted by U1122 on Nikor, suggest that Apple might introduce new colors like desert yellow, cement gray, and possibly rose, which could be a variation of pink gold. This means we could see some fresh and stylish options for the Pro models. Battery life is another hot topic. It's rumored that the new iPhones will have extended battery life, potentially exceeding 30 hours. This would be a significant upgrade, aligning with earlier reports that Apple plans to incorporate larger batteries in the iPhone 16 Pro models and the standard iPhone 16. While the Plus variant might have a smaller battery compared to the iPhone 15 Plus, the 30-hour claim could very well apply to the iPhone 16 Pro Max and hopefully other models too. On the camera front, the iPhone 16 Pro Max might feature a 48-megapixel main camera using Sony's IMX9003 sensor, along with a mix of 1 glass and 7 plastic lens parts for enhanced performance. However, this upgrade might not be available for the smaller iPhone 16 Pro. This continues the trend where Pro Max models have more advanced cameras. For example, only the iPhone 15 Pro Max has a 5x telephoto camera, while the regular Pro does not. In terms of storage, there's speculation about a 2 TB storage option for the Pro models, which would be a game changer for users who take a lot of photos and videos. This substantial storage capacity could be particularly beneficial for those who extensively capture media content. Screen sizes are also rumored to see a change. The iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max are expected to feature 6.3-inch and 6.9-inch displays, respectively. If accurate, this would mark the first size increase for iPhones since the iPhone 12 series and could make the Pro Max the largest iPhone ever, potentially outsizing many Android competitors. Now, let's quickly run through the expected features of the standard iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus. Both models are likely to include the new A18 chipset, advanced 5G connectivity, and improved battery life, making them solid choices for those looking to upgrade from older iPhones or switch to Apple for the first time. Overall, the iPhone 16 series is shaping up to be a fantastic upgrade with new colors, extended battery life, and impressive camera capabilities. While it might not convince iPhone 15 owners to upgrade, it's a great option for those with older models or first-time iPhone buyers. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the launch date. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest information on the iPhone 16 series. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.